All right, now I'm removing this axle pivot bolt on the back side. If you're just doing these bushings, I've seen people remove just the coil springs and then they remove this bolt and then this arm swings down enough to replace that bushing. All right, so we've got that removed. Now we need to remove the one on the front end. I did break it loose with the big breaker bar. I'm going to be removing these axle pivot bushings, and as you can see on this side, it looks like it's kind of flared out. So I'm going to use a hammer and chisel to kind of get that pushed back in, and then hopefully we can press this out. And then we'll do that one next. I've got a 1 1/4 inch socket that hopefully will work to press this out. All right, so a 1 1/4 inch socket is the magic trick to getting these old bushings pressed out. I'm ready to install these new pivot bushings onto these axle housing arms. Here is the part number for the bushings that I bought, and to install them like they were the ones that we removed, they're going to be pushed in from this side on both of them. You can see this is the open side, and then we are installing them from the closed side. So now we just need to push these the rest of the way through. I'm lifting the other end with the jack, using my foot. Hopefully get this squared up a little bit better. It's a little cockeyed. It's not really wanting to go up the rest of the way. I think I just got it. There we go. All right, I think I've got it now. Yep, you just gotta get that end lifted up enough. So this nut is 7/8, the bolt is 3/4. And I think I can lift this whole section without a jack into place.